There's multiple problem. I think this deck is probably really old. The support beam underneath here is actually rotting away. I think it's termite or even the roof. All this gotta be removed. Work. Okay, this part of the demolition is done, and I need to clean up all this wood, and then we'll get to the frame. Now I leave this piece untouched because this has a bracket. I don't know if you can see it, hopefully. Yeah, that's the bracket that's holding the gas pipe. Now I don't want to just take it down and without anything to support this pipe in here, because all the weight will pull the pipe down and not putting too much force on it and cause a rupture. It's kind of old pipe, gotta be careful. Alright, so I've fashioned something to support this beam here, which have brackets there holding the pipe. Alright, this is 99% done now. This side wall support beam is the only thing left. Of course, one that on near the roof there also need to be removed, and so it's very cosmetic. The major things are all removed, and well, obviously need to remove that gas pipe. It's taken me 2 days to this point. Well, by myself, I think it's not bad. It's kind of hot in here in Southern California, close to 100 degrees for the last 2 days, and I need to take quite a bit of break in between to avoid have some exhaustion. Also have to drink quite a bit of water, but I'm happy that the whole thing's been taken down. All the wood here doesn't seem to be that much, seriously, but it's just very heavy. Doing it by myself, I have to cut most of them into smaller pieces out of I won't be able to move them. But I'm happy that all is done and all here waiting for pickup. So, you know, it's not really difficult to take down the deck, except some of the very simple equipment is needed. Hammer, receptacle saw. This is really good actually, but I think from the video you see that I really wish that I don't have a cordless version will really work. Pie bar, you know, this is actually pretty handy, but I wish I have something that's longer. It'll give you a little bit more leverage on the force. The rest is just have to clean up and all this. So all in all, I think it's go well. It's doable all by yourself. You can save like $1,000 actually. You can find someone to do it. I think we got it for the quotation we got is $1,000 to $2,000. So there's some money to save for her. All right, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. I'll definitely post more interesting video for you guys. Thank you.